Hello, I'm Gregory Alvarado, and today we're diving into the snatch. The snatch is an Olympic lift used to develop athleticism as it requires great amounts of flexibility, stability, neuromuscular control, and connectivity throughout the entire body to lift an Olympic bar powerfully overhead. This is not a movement for beginners. This video will provide a foundational understanding to kickstart your journey towards mastering the snatch. Step 1. Assessing mobility and control. Begin by evaluating your mobility and neuromuscular control. My initial movement assessment revealed various issues: mediolateral sway, pelvic instability, and asymmetries, tight hip flexors, quads, low back, QL, and I was untrusting of the Olympic bar. This was my first time. Step 2 in mastering the snatch: understanding the fundamentals. Mastering the snatch entails grasping its essential elements. Here are 6 key phases of the snatch as outlined in Dr. Brian Biagioli's book, Advanced Concepts of Strength and Conditioning. The starting position. Feet should be hip to shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward. The bar should be positioned just in front of the shins, shoulders ahead of the bar. The second phase is the liftoff phase. Hips and knees extend simultaneously. The bar moves slightly towards you before rising vertically. The third phase is the scoop. As the bar reaches mid-thigh, the hips drive forward and the knees scoop underneath the bar. The fourth phase is the second pull. This mimics a vertical jump. The knees and hips initiate the movement, followed by ankle plantar flexion and shoulder shrugging. The fifth phase is pull under and catch. Execute a quarter squat to position yourself under the bar. The sixth phase is the recovery phase. Once the quarter squat is stable, you drive up into an overhead squat position. Step 3 in mastering the snatch is corrective exercise and practice. Next was changing my training to help correct some of those problems. It meant including unilateral work that would help build core stabilization, strength, and neuromuscular control. It meant fixing my frame, a frame that was bent and built on false programming due to misunderstanding. The last video is from yesterday, May 8th, 2024. The hips at the starting position are too high and the bar wasn't pulled to the mid-thigh and the scoop was lost. But the connectedness of the lift is better. Join me in embracing the journey towards mastering the snatch. Seek guidance, stay patient, and remember, progress is gradual. Here's to your future success in mastering this Olympic lift. Gregory, over and out.